like this one random mountain, but that's just a peak. If you look at it, you gotta look. There's no actual mountain there, there's just peak. Where you would like to stop? Okay. Should I drive a ways before we stop or get off soon? Mostly just want to know if I should cut over to the carpool lane or not.
What?
I said, should I drive a ways before we stop or stop soon? I just want to know if I should cut over the carpool lane or not.
I don't know any place to stop besides Polly's.
Inside out?
I don't particularly want inside out.
I don't either. Okay, so carpool lane for home then, or? So you said you wanted to eat before we get home.
Welcome to the Monday edition of Swag IQ, the daily game show where you can
You said should I just head to the carpool lane and just shoot for home, or what?
Yeah.
You said you wanted to eat before we got home.
Yeah, shoot for home. Shoot for home.
So happy to see you
If
all
we
in here.
get
Right
to
now
a
we've got
place where I'm like, hey, let's stop and grab a bite, we'll stop and grab a bite, but I can't think of anything, so it doesn't pay to try to look for something.
It's National Cupcake Day today, everybody. So when you win this game of Swag IQ, make sure you treat yourself to a little cupcake. It's also National Stay at Home with Your Kids Day. So if you're staying at home with your kids today, have them join you and play this game.
You did it wrong. You went to Disneyland without your kid.
All right, let's get into this. So
it's National Stay at Home with Your Kids Day.
On the line, and if you correctly answer all 10 of these questions, you'll split the prize money with whoever's left. And if nobody wins, that prize rolls over, and you can earn bonus SB today by correctly answering questions with an SB icon in the top left-hand corner. You can use your SB once per game to rejoin, giving you another shot at the grand prize. And make sure you stay until the end of the game so you can claim all those bonus SB you earned. Now that we've been talking about cupcakes, I am really craving a cupcake right now. I think I'm going to be heading to the nearest bakery right after this game to get myself a vanilla cupcake with vanilla icing. I know it's plain, I know it's basic, but that's what I like. I don't like chocolate cupcakes, but what kind of cupcakes do you like? Do you like strawberry? Do you like confetti? So many cupcakes, I'm craving them now. All right, 19,000 of you in here. I think I'm ready to get this game started. So we know the rules, right? That means there's nothing left to do but just wipe away these comments and get to question number 1. Here it is, Q1. Which of the following sports is primarily